Nowadays, people are earning thousands of dollars by copy paste work. You can also do the same. You only need a laptop and an internet connection. If you gain any knowledge from this, then please like, share, and subscribe.
We need a Facebook account, so we will go on Facebook, and here we will create a page. For creating, you can select the business option. After, you can select any name for your page on your. I choose Reacto. I React, and also it is an entertainment, so I write. We will use ChatGPT for our. So here, write a prompt like write a bio for my Facebook. It is for entertainment. So ChatGPT will write up. So as you can see, it wrote a perfect. So we'll copy it and it here, and also change your channel name. And then after you will create page, and then this window will take some. You can ignore this as it is not. You can update your cover photo and your profile. I like this one, so I will use this. And for cover photo, I have this type of. So I will use this, and I will click. So as you can see, this looks. So after this, you will click on, and you can use whatsoever issue, but I will skip this. And you can see our Facebook page is now. We will go on artflow, and here we will use a. So for I like this Chinese kung fu, so I will download. You can download this from the link will be in. So after what we are going to do is we are going on TikTok, and here we will click on it, and after this explore button will appear. In bar you can use trending topics like I wrote here. So after I will go down and I will find a trending. So this is an awesome. I think I can download this. You can download any other video which you. So as you can see, I have it. We will be on. My video is changed due to some. So I will click on this video and I will drag down. And for Chinese, I will drag this video. So what you are going to do is you are going to place Chinese master video on above that. So as you put it on above, and we will use mask option to mask this. So mask the Chinese kung fu master. As you can see, it is, and then move it into your personal space where you want to. Now our video is. Many people will look at that but not at your ad, but this will keep you safe from copyright issue or any other, and you can use others videos and create your. As you can see, it is an awesome video. I will export.
Please share this video